What is Bitcoin? A Bitcoin is a digital asset. It can be bought, sold, or transferred between parties securely over the internet. Because of this, Bitcoin can be used to store value, much like buying gold, silver, and other types of investments. But unlike those other types of investments, Bitcoin also serves as a form of digital currency, and you can use it to buy products and services as well as make payments and exchange value electronically. However, different from other types of traditional currency, such as dollars or euros, which you can also use to buy things and exchange value electronically, there are no physical coins for Bitcoin or paper bills. And when you send Bitcoin to someone or use Bitcoin to buy anything, you don't need to use a bank, a credit card, or any other third-party type of financial institutions. Instead, you simply send Bitcoin directly to another party over the internet, and it will arrive securely and almost instantly. This type of communication between two parties is commonly called peer-to-peer, and it's how people communicate every day over the web. You can send photos, videos, and other types of files easily and quickly over the web. Likewise, you can send money peer-to-peer by using the blockchain technology. However, in current scenario, whenever you want to send money to someone over the internet, you need to enlist the services of a third party, such as a bank, a credit card, PayPal, or some other type of money transfer service. But blockchain technology has no intermediaries financial institutions. Without these intermediaries, peer-to-peer money transfer was not possible yet. But how is it that you can send Bitcoin to someone else over the internet without needing a bank or some other institution to clarify that a transfer took place? The answer lies in a global network of thousands of computers called the Bitcoin network, and a special type of decentralized ledger technology called blockchain. Blockchain is one of the key technologies that underlies Bitcoin, as it keeps a decentralized record of all the transactions that have ever taken place on the Bitcoin network. All the information is captured securely by using math and cryptography to protect it, and the data is stored and verified across the entire network of computers. In other words, instead of having a centralized database that a third party, such as a bank, to certify that a transaction took place, Bitcoin uses blockchain technology across a wide decentralized network of computers to securely verify, confirm, and record each transaction. Because the data is stored in a decentralized manner across a wide network instead of a centralized database, there is no single point of failure. This makes the records which are stored on blockchain more secure and less prone to fraud, tampering, or a general system failure than keeping them in a single centralized location.